Yo, what's up, YouTube? Hey, we got a special surprise for y'all today. After 2.5 months of waiting, my package finally came in. It's 100 degrees outside, so if you see me bust a sweat, you already know where it's from. But stay tuned, see what I got.
I spent a couple thousand on Da Vinci. Loud pipes, bitch, I'm in the Hemi. Smoking this out of pressure, sipping Henny. I'm in that push start. Ain't no foreign, bitch, I'm in the Mopar. Niggas hating, but they ain't got no car. Mid-muffler delete for my co-star. We done came a long way, now we so far. All this money can't fit in my go yard. Keep my foot on the gas, ain't no chauffeur. Hellcat, Widebody on 4G. Alexander McQueen.
All right, guys, here it is, the one and only. As y'all know, I had plans of Widebody and the RT before she unfortunately got vandalized. So this huge box is full of my 2021 Hellcat replica Widebody kit. So here we got the side skirts. Lay them out. And by the way, guys, I will not be keeping the RT. She is fixed for all of those who swore up and down that it was insurance fraud. The damages was only $1,000, so I only came out of pocket $500, and she will be back in my yard on Friday. But here we got the grill insert. We got the 2021 front grille. Here we have the Widebody diffuser. The Widebody diffuser. I'll take that out of the plastic a little later. What else we got in here? These are the two eyelids because, as you know, Hellcats don't have fog lights. So these go where the fog lights are. If you can see right there, we got a little bit of damage. I will be complaining to Vicrez about that. Here's the other one. The other one looks good. This one ain't got no damage on it, but that one does. So those are the two little fog light lids. What else we got here? This right here. I don't even know what this is. Hey, if you know what this is, drop it in the comments. I don't know what the hell that is. Yeah, we're gonna put that to the side. What else we got in here? Okay, here are the fender flares. That's two of them, two fender flares. These are more fender flares for the front and the rear. Here's the bottom grill. So that's the bottom grill right there. Plastic bag, another plastic bag. And then we get to, oh, hold on. Yep, then we get to the good stuff. So this is, oh, sorry about that. This is the back bumper, I want to say. Let's see. Yep, this is the back bumper. So this is the SRT Widebody back bumper. It has the built-in Widebody on the back, if you can see it there. These are my air vents for the back, my two back air vents. And another plastic bag. What do you know? Nah, but last piece right here, this is the SRT Widebody front bumper. And there's where those eyelets go that I put over there that I said were kind of damaged. So here's the front bumper. Give me a minute and I will take all this stuff out of the plastic so y'all can get a better look at it. And the big surprise is coming as soon as I can get all of this stuff out and laid out. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so it's all laid out. This is the final product. 2021 Vicrez Widebody Hellcat kit. Comes with all the pieces. There's that sexy front bumper. That's what caught my attention. Everything is here. Everything is in decent condition. The only thing I don't like is what I pointed out a little earlier. I don't know what that is. It's definitely not a stain. It's a scratch. It could probably be painted, sanded and painted, but I still don't appreciate the company sending it like that. And the back bumper, because the box was not big enough, it looks like they bent the back bumper to make it fit, and now it's holding that shape. I don't like that. It can also be fixed, but I still prefer my product to come in, you know, pristine condition. But like I said, everything is here. It's in decent condition. Not 100% pleased, but overall, you know, I'm happy with the product. But like I told y'all before, this thing took 2.5 months to come in. And right now, currently, if you try to buy one, it's on a 6-month back order. So if you were planning on converting to Widebody anytime sooner, don't do it. Just go and buy you a Widebody charger. Hey guys, I appreciate y'all for watching. See the sweat? Sweat bullets? Yeah, it's hot out here. It's like 100 degrees. See the sweat? Look at it. Make no sense. Hey, but check it out. Big surprise. Like I said, I'm not Widebody in the RT. It will be back Friday. So with that being said, everything you see here is up for grabs. Yeah. So like I said, Widebody kit is right now on back order, 6 months. I pay roughly about $2,000 for everything you see here. We'll be charging a convenience fee. So if you want this Widebody kit, you can have it, $2,500. $500 convenience fee, or you can order it online, save $500 and wait 6 months. So choice is yours, but I appreciate y'all for watching. Appreciate y'all for subbing to the channel. For all my new subbers, hey, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you know when I post. Hit the like button, drop a comment, especially on that little one piece right there. It looks like a license plate. I don't know what it is, but it goes in the back, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, let me know what that is. And hey man, stay tuned for more. I got puppies dropping soon, less than 10 days. So if you're interested in a puppy, make sure you stay tuned for that. Video should be dropping soon. Both my girls are getting C-section, so it ain't gonna be no live birth. And yeah, y'all be easy. Peace.